Well, hey folks, how y'all doing? Oh man, what do you got there? You're saying meatballs. What's the big deal, Tom? These just aren't meatballs, folks. These are meatloaf meatballs, and they got cheese in them. Have you ever made meatloaf meatballs? Folks, it is phenomenal. We got 55 of them, and I tell you what, let's take a look at the ingredients. Let's make some balls, and let's put them on the pellet smoker, shall we? All right, here's what we got for our meatloaf meatballs, folks. I've got, and you can do it in whatever proportions that you want, but I've got a little over 3 pounds of 90-10. I like to keep my meatballs kind of lean, but you know, we do have a pound of mild Italian sausage, plenty of fat in there. Folks, you're seeing cheese, you're going, wait a minute, what are you going to do with cheese? Now, the great thing about cheese is that what is cheese? Cheese is mostly water and fat. So once again, we're putting that back into the meat. So anybody saying this is going to be too lean, and the nice thing about it as this cooks, this will give up that fat and that moisture and keep your balls nice and moist there. So this is this stuff has got some good. It's got some Parmesan in there. It gives a really nice taste. We're going to season it up with a little bit of the margarita rub from Big Dick's, like that stuff. Little of the Zang stir fry oil. I love that. Garlic infused. 2 eggs. Some real bacon bits. I've got celery and onion. And about 3/4 of a pack of Ritz crackers. We will use that as needed. 2 eggs. And then, how can you forget tiger sauce? Made from real tigers. So I'll put this together in a bowl, get it put together, and let's get to making some meatballs, shall we? All right, there's our meatloaf meatballs all made up there. Folks, I just used my hands to mix them up. Someone's going to ask how many cups of cheese. There's 2 cups of cheese, the whole package. And if you do this, use the fine cut. You don't want to use thick cut. Fine cut is going to work better. So now let's get to making. Let's make some meatballs. All right, making balls. Make sure you wash your hands, folks. Nice and clean. And all I'm doing, looking for size, and I'm not using any measuring cup or anything like that. Just going by feel here. And I'm looking for about ping pong ball size. That's what I'm doing. And these are going to go on the pellet grill, and we're gonna on low smoke, and that's all I'm going to do, low smoke. And we'll let them go for about 2-3 hours. Test a couple, make sure that they're almost done. They don't have to be perfectly done, because this is going to be for an event for tomorrow, and it's going to go in a crock pot with some marinara sauce. So they can finish up cooking in the crock pot. So you definitely don't want to overcook them, because you want your balls to be moist. So I'll keep on making balls here, and we'll get them on the grill. All right, folks, we got the Pellet Pro fired up here, and we're on low smoke, and right now we're 160, perfect. Does a great job, folks. Let's just take a look. Now, I did put all my meatballs on the top shelf. So this grill comes with 2 shelves, standard. So top shelf, it just keeps it a little bit further away from the heat source, and they'll cook a little bit slower, and we'll get a little bit more smoke. Oh man, there are 2 on the bottom. That's the chefs. You see a little smoke came out of there. So let's get this covered up. It's about 18 degrees today, so a little bit chillier. So we'll keep on going, give you a couple more look-sees, and keep on watching. All right, folks, about an hour into it, let's take a quick look. Oh yeah, look at the meatballs. Oh man. Give you a couple more look-sees. All right, folks, about 2.5 hours into it. Let's take one last look before we pull them off. I'm telling you what, look at that. That's some nice looking meatloaf meatballs. So let's close down a couple more minutes. Give you a look-see once they are off the grill. Oh man, oh, that's a pile of meatballs right there. I'll tell you, look at that. You can see this cheese in there and everything. Oh, that's just gonna be, look at the smoke on there. You got it. Oh, it's just, folks, there's 55 of them there. That was about a little over 2.5 hours. I kept on low smoke the entire time. I really didn't intend, and I didn't. I got about 130, 135 internal. There's pork in there, so you want to get it closer to 165-ish. But what's going to happen is I'm going to bag these up, seal in all that moisture that's in there. Then tomorrow, because this is for an event I'm going to tomorrow, I am going to take a crock pot. I'm going to heat up. I've got some of this marinara sauce, spicy marinara sauce. It's got chilies and garlic in it, and we're going to marinate in there. And that's what we're going to be serving there, folks. I won't be able to get you any shots of that, but I tell you what, you get the gist of this. Meatloaf Meatballs. Looks delicious, doesn't it? Tom Horseman at YouTube, please subscribe. Thumbs up, leave a comment. And as always, folks, I can't say it enough. I really, honestly do appreciate you watching. Thank you. I know what you were saying here, saying, hey, what about those other two, the Pitmaster Privilege ones? And we want to see the middle, don't we? So these went on a little bit longer. Let's take a look. A little bit of a smoke ring there. I'll tell you what, oh man. And don't you want me to take a taste? My mouth is watering. I want to take a taste. I've been smelling it for the last couple hours. That is perfect, folks. Tom Horseman of YouTube, once again, thanks for watching. Thumbs up, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.